Hello everyone, welcome back to another Rantman video. So, just to let you guys know, my 4th of July tape footage got corrupted when I was trying to upload it. So we're going to be missing out on that, but I do have some really exciting things to show you. So for my 4th of July, I did make this bad boy, this little 5-shotter. It's very nice. I glued it and duct taped it to the board. It worked perfectly. So, beside that, let's get into it. These are the smoke canisters I picked up. I was trying to make these launchable. So, I took apart one of my shells. I took out the lift powder from it. And I was actually able to reuse some of the other smoke shells, repurpose them to make these launchable smoke canisters. Let's see if I can get that sound on there. Yep, that's full of the powder. I packed it myself. I was able to make 2 out of these. I don't know how far they're gonna go, but we're gonna test them out. That's my own fuse job. I did one with zip tie and one with duct tape. And then of course I did multiple configurations on the fuses here. I did this one on the outside and I did this one on the inside. So we'll see how it looks, and I even got my own little blast caps. So I made those myself. Now this is essentially a grenade. And I was like, well, what can I really do with this now? So, going through 4th of July, you know, I'm going to be real with you guys and be completely, fully honest here. Some of my equipment did not hold up. So, for example, the version 2 of my mortar launcher, which is here, you can see I took the cushion off and the front sight broke off. But the main thing was that after a few shots, the screws that were in the board here started to get loose. So we didn't end up using this one. I actually had to fall back on my prototype. Now, my version 1 still works, it's still solid. So this is my prototype here. So I actually put this one together with duct tape and cardboard, and it was working for most of the night, but after a few shots, I did not make the handle give way and the stock gave in. So that was that. But I still have my version 1.0. Now you're thinking about, well, what about Little Hansel? Little Hansel was built solid, you said. Well, yes and no. Because here, we're looking at Little Hansel. This is the barrel from Little Hansel. So he did hold up, but the base from where it was glued, and I'm going to show you guys now. From the base from where it was glued, you can see all the multiple firings actually took its toll on the glue. And what it really came down to on the end was the duct tape. That I actually added another layer of duct tape holding the tube steadier onto the mount. So after a few more shots, of course the explosions gave away to the duct tape and the tube ended up just tilting over. It didn't, thank God nothing bad happened, but like I said, he was put out of commission after about a few shots. So that is the damage report. So like I said, we're going to give our prototype here a fitting send-off because I wanted to show you guys what would have happened if, God forbid, the worst happened. So I'm going to set this baby off in here. We're going to load it in the wrong way and we're going to see what happens. And that'll be that. So for that, one more thing, I made my own, like I said, I made my own launchable smoke grenades. So for future content, I know you guys are like, what's next? Let me show you what I got here. I got this mammoth PVC pipe. All right, it is huge. So this is gonna be the start of the bazooka. Okay, yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. And the next video should be a destruction of the prototype. So, oh, and we're also going to launch those smoke canisters. So, be ready for the demo on that. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And hit that notification bell to see more videos and demos that I'm going to be doing in the future. Alrighty.